planning to carry liquid aerosols or gel in your handbag? How much allow? Those items will be packed inside one clear re-sealable plastic bag. Within your hand baggage, each item can't be more than 100 ml and the total amount accepted only. Exemptions will be made for medicine, baby milk, food and special requirement to be used during your trip. How much baggage or weight allowed in UAE Airport? Generally, two pieces of baggage are allowed for international travel, with the total weight not exceeding 32 kg. What about bag size? Bag is larger than 90 cm long, 75 cm high and 60 cm wide, or that does not have a single flat surface will need to be checked in at the oversized baggage counter. Please allow extra time to check in oversized baggage. Smart bag, do or don't. Whatever you are flying with Emirates or any other airlines, bear in mind that if you are flying to the United States, smart luggage has been banned since January 2008. A number of other airlines have banned smart bag from the whole unless the lithium battery can be removed. Can I allow to take power bank or some spare batteries from UAE Airport? Power banks which have the primary purpose as a power source, such as power banks, are considered as a spare batteries. These batteries must be individually protected to avoid short circuit. Each passenger is limited to maximum of 20 spare batteries. What about carry e-cigarette? E-cigarette include e-cigars, e-pipes, electric portable incense, perfume, burner or other personal vaporizers that contain batteries must be individually protected to prevent accidental activation. They cannot be placed in your checked-in luggage. Can only be traveled with on a carry-on. Can I allow to take personal motorized vehicle from UAE Airport? Vehicle for safety reasons, airport in the UAE will not accept personal motorized vehicles such as hoverboards, Segways and self-balanced wheels on flight. UAE Airports, for example, prohibits the carriage of all such devices with or without batteries at check-in or carry. What are some more general tips need to know before fly from UAE Airport? Pack personal belongings in your hand luggage. Keep a laptop when it can be easily reached. You will need to place separate security tray at the security scan. Always remove all baggage tags. They may cause the baggage system or reject the bag they are attached to.